Morning glampers, how you doing? So we're at the lovely scenery now of Pistol Rider. It's just over here in mist. We've got Ben with us, brought him out.
Hello.
And we're heading up into Donald Trump land, Cadair, Berwyn. So we've left the car park. The car park's just down there. You might see a faint light in the distance. If not, you just have to take my word for it. But we're going up this track here, and we're going onwards and upwards, and we'll bring you back a little bit later on. Just give a quick pan round of where we actually are now. We're at 585 metres up, and I am absolutely foobarded. But nice waterfall down there. Excuse my photography and my videography. Ben, how you doing, fella? All right?
Alright, buddy. A bit wet.
So let's take a look around at the clouds. I think here, what we can just see here is Mole, I don't know. But just a bit further on from that then, over here somewhere is Cadair, Berwyn, and that's where we're heading. So we've got about another 340 odd metres to climb or something like that. So we'll make headway and we'll catch you at the top, unless something interesting happens. We're just coming up to the trig now. Let's tap out. So we've come from up there, you can't see, and it's pretty cold. We're wet. Wetter than a woman's water's breaking. Anyway, the purpose of this part of the video is shout out to whoever's birthday it was. Your balloon landed here. Good luck finding. So we're just going to stop for a brew now. Check this out. This is the start of Pistol Rider Waterfall. Now, I don't want to get too close because I don't want to lose my phone, but check that out. That's stunning. And just in the distance, our car is literally just there in the car park. Yeah, cracking this is. Let's get a brew on the go now. Some of the terrain we're having to cope with. We've decided to take this route though, because the grass is just slippy as hell. And that's the view. So when we started off this morning, the track here is the one that we went on, going up to Cadair, Berwyn, and then we took the up track. So we're going down now. I can just see the car just here. So we're not far now, and so we'll probably bring you back when we're at the car. Absolute stunning this is. The video don't do it justice. So we've just come down from the waterfall and we're just on the way to the car. I've just bumped into my mate. I haven't seen him for friggin' years. Here, Ken, come and say hello, bud.
Hey,
my mate Ken Barlow, we'll call him. He's lovely. Better than cows. not keen on them.
No, he's nice.
He's nice. He's got his little nipper there as well.
Oh yeah.
All right, mate. Not getting too close. All right. Good lad.
That's a long face, mate.
Catch you later. So we've just left the horses now, and we're just on the way back to the car. That was a good hike up Cadair, Berwyn. Absolutely enjoyed it, and the waterfall was just spectacular as well. So, to that note, the car's just here. We're going to leave it there, and we'll see you on the next hike. Thanks for watching.